Hi, I'm Dr. Arti, consultant dermatologist, CI Cosmetic Clinic, Bangalore. Acne scars is a very common problem that every one of us face. It is very distressing and embarrassing, especially for adolescent girls and boys. So every one of us have got acne in some point of our life. But if you see, not all the pimples turn into a scar. So when does an acne going to leave a scar? So when it's going to be on your face for a long time, when you have a very thick and an oily skin, when you're not going to get your acne treated, when you're going to try any sort of home remedies to get rid of the acne, when you pinch and squeeze your skin, that's when it's going to become a scar. So coming to the treatment point of view, people want there's a desperate surge among people to get rid of their scars. So there are various treatment modalities available when it comes to treatment of acne scars. But how far does a treatment for acne help you in getting rid of the scars is a $1 million question. So what actually treatments for acne scar does is it makes your scar looks better by 80 to 70%. So there's not a single treatment which is going to completely erase your scars from your face, but what it does is it makes your scar look better. So from a social distance, when a person is talking to you, the impact of the scars which is there in your face, it looks better. So that's what you can expect from a treatment for acne scars. So we Indians, majority of us have brown skin. So we are all prone to something called as post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation. So just when we get hurt, we all tend to heal with a black or a brown spot. So the same it's the same when you go for a procedure for acne scars. We need to be very careful in customizing a treatment for you which doesn't leave you with a black mark or a scar after the treatment in your face. So coming to the types of acne scars, like if you look into a patient who's having an acne scar, you can see 4 different types of scars. The first thing is an ice pick scar, which is like a V-shaped deep scar, which is most commonly seen in this part of the face. The second type of scar is called as a rolling scars, which gives you that uneven appearance in the skin, which is more common in this part of the face. And the next one is called the box scars, which are the deepest of the all, and those are the scars which looks very prominent when you see a person who's having such scars. Coming to the treatment point, the various modalities also changes according to the type of scar which you have. So starting from chemical peels to dermaroller, PRP, laser resurfacing, each type of scars requires a customized treatment. So always take an expert opinion before you resort yourself to any form of treatment for acne. Get your skin analyzed before you undergo any procedure. Always undergo a test patch, let it be a peel or a laser or whatever, and you require minimum 4 to 6 sessions to see a visible change. It's not like at the end of one session you can't expect a magical result to happen. It does require a lot of time and patience, and the most important thing is the post-procedure management, like use of a sunscreen, a depigmentary creams, which helps in reducing something called as post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation, which I told you before. So a very good maintenance will help you a long way in getting rid of these scars. To watch more videos and get more skincare tips, please subscribe to Dr. Circle.